In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track team performance in Jira, an essential skill for project managers and team leaders looking to keep an eye on productivity and project progression. Jira is a powerful tool with its tracking capabilities, and mastering it can provide valuable insights into your team's workflow. To get started, first, navigate to your left-hand menu in Jira and click on Dashboards. This section is your gateway to setting up visual displays of your project's progress and team performance. Once you've opened the dashboard section, you'll have the option to either select an existing dashboard or create a new one. If you're new to this, I suggest starting by clicking on Create Dashboard. This way you can customize it specifically for tracking team performance. Next, you'll want to click Edit Dashboard. Editing your dashboard allows you to add and configure the tools you need for effective monitoring. After that, click Add Gadget to begin enhancing your dashboard with features that will give you valuable insights into performance metrics. In the Add Gadget section, you'll find a search bar. Here type in Sprint Burndown Gadget. The Sprint Burndown Gadget is a crucial tool for visualizing how well your team is keeping up with sprint goals. Once you've located it, simply click Add. This action will prompt the gadget to appear on your dashboard. With the gadget now added, it's time to configure it to match your project needs. Start by selecting your Scrum board from the options provided. The Scrum board is where you'll see all tasks, stories, and issues related to your project. It's essential to ensure the board is accurate and up to date to get the most reliable performance data. Once your Scrum board is selected, it's time to choose the specific sprint you want to monitor. Sprints are predefined work cycles in Scrum, hence selecting the right one is crucial for getting insights into the correct time frame. Setting a refresh interval is the next step, and this determines how often the data on your dashboard will update. You might choose a 15-minute interval or adjust it according to your team's needs. Regular updates ensure you're always working with the latest data, which is vital for making timely interventions if things start to deviate from the plan. Finally, once everything is set up to your liking, click on Save. This action secures all the configurations you've made, ensuring your dashboard is ready to provide you with ongoing insights into how your team is performing against the sprint goals. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive view of your team's workload and productivity, allowing you to make informed decisions and enhance team performance effectively. With your Jira dashboard fully configured, you're now equipped with a powerful tool to monitor and improve project outcomes.